What's up, everybody? How you doing? Thanks for tuning into a brand new video. Today we have a little $3 ticket battle, and hopefully it's exciting just as yesterday's video. If you haven't seen it, definitely please go check it out. Really awesome. I'm very shocked by it. But anyways, enough with that. We're going with this video, and we got 3 of these $3 one-word crosswords and 3 of these $3 fruit explosions. Crossword, we got tickets 15 through 17. Fruit explosion, 24 through 26. The odds on these bad puppies, boom, 1 3.74, 1 3.57. So the crossword does have a better odds, has better odds, but hey, it's all right. And these actually have just the same amount of odds as the $10 tickets. So take your pick. Which one you think is going to win? I'm going to say this time Fruit Explosion is going to win. So we're going to go with the one-word crossword first. And let's get to it. You guys see me play this enough. Don't have to explain too much. Just crossword, at least 3 words win the prize. One of these purple words, you win that amount. So without further ado, hey, let's see how we do. We're going to be using Miss Money's dog tag. All right, let's go. And there we go. Trim off the little hair pieces and let's get going. All right, Judge. Got no J. All right. Be that way. All right. Dry. D-R, no R. All right. Giraffe goes bye-bye. He says, see you later, dude. All right. Toy. T-O-Y. No Y. No Y. Okay. Never mind. Oxygen. O-X. Didn't we just say no Y? Wolf. W. No, okay. Else. E. Okay. All right. Abacus. A. B. A. C. U. S. All right. And sit. S. I. Okay. Just 2 words on that one. I ain't gonna cut it. Okay. Ticket number 16. Or if this is faster way. Whoops. Nope. Maybe the dog tag's wearing out. It's wearing out on me. All right. Let's get it. H-O-B. No B. Cinema. S. Or S. C. But no I. No Y. Okay. Scent. No S. Age. A-G. No G. Lady. L-A-D. No Y. Treat. T-R-E-A-T. A. T-R-E-A-T. Treat. Look at that. $20. Well, there's another profit. Awesome. $20 winner so far. I don't think we were going to. Well, no, we can't because we can't get $23. So nice. $23. Or $20. That makes profit for the whole session. And, well, Fruit Explosion is going to have to find. We're going to find another nice win there. Sweet. All right. The rest is just good money. I've hit that 20 before. I think when the game first came out. All right. Let's go back to back. This is our last one of these. And then we get to the Fruit Explosions. All right. Ash. No A. This is a very good week so far. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week as well. But I am definitely in profit. We got some $50 tickets coming later this week too. That's a weird looking section of letters. I almost don't even like it. No J. Wise, W-I-S-E, okay. Option, no T. Pool, P-O-L, yeah. Maybe we will get $23. No, F. R-E-M-E-D. Do we have a Y? Ooh, if we had a Y, that would have been $1,000. That would have been pretty good. That would have been pretty good. All right, H-O-R-S. I think we have this one. Wait, hold on. H-O-R-S-C-O-P-E. Look at that. We did actually get a total of $23 back on this one. Nice. Just make sure there's 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right. So 23 bucks back. Fruit Explosions. You're going to have to beat that. You're going to have to beat that. AC just kicked on too, so that means this ticket's hot. All right. Let's go. So Fruit Explosion, you just gotta match the fruits. Let's go. Let's do just the faster way. Just for you beautiful people. Even though nobody ever complains. All right. All right, I have a cantaloupe. No cantaloupe, so let's go bye-bye. And that one goes bye-bye. And this one goes bye-bye. And that one goes bye-bye. Okay, do we have an orange? No orange. Bye-bye. 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 All right, grapes. And no grape. Yep, so these are all bye-bye. All right. Yeah, that's definitely a faster way of doing it. That's for sure. All right. Ticket 25. Normally I just do these 2 at a time, but it's all good. All right, cherries in the snow. Yep. Do we have grapes? No grape. Okay, cherries in the snow. A little bit of star fruit. We have a lemon. Yep. Apple. Yep. And pineapple. Yes, we do. We got to win. Now I got to make sure. Here, we'll just mark game number 2 as a win. Awesome. Profit on profit. All right, we got fig Newtons. We got kiwis. We got pears. We got coconut. We have orange. And we have watermelon. Nice. Game 6 is a win. Now this ticket, I have noticed, if you get more than like 3, it's at least $15 winner. So coconut. Kiwi. No avocados. That's my favorite fruit. All right, strawberry. Like strawberry wine. We got bananas. No. And so the last are done. All right. Let's see what this one gives us. $3. $3. That's 6. All right. We'll take it. $6. And that puts us at a total of $29 back, which is fantastic. But Fruit Explosion, you're going to have to find a big win now. Actually, if you find a $20 winner on here, my guy, you make us profit. And, yep, you can win 20. Come on. All right. Let's do it. Come on, we got Mr. Stars. No, Mr. Stars. Which I've never had a star fruit. So I don't know what the heck they taste like. Okay, well that one's a loser. And this one. Alright. All right, lemon. Yep. Millions of peaches. An apple. Pineapple. Oh, no grapes. Avocados. No. Oh, man. That's it. All right. Hey, you know what? I don't extremely care due to the fact that we made profit today. We, unfortunately, if you chose Fruit Explosion, it did not win for us today. But definitely a fun battle. So we got the bigger win right here for 20 bucks, $23 for 3, and then 6 for here for $29 back out of 18 spent. Not bad. So if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to leave 2 big thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you guys are new. And of course, we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.